Hello, everybody. Welcome back, and I'm glad you're with me today to spend some time together. My name is Lorraine, and this channel is all about growing older gracefully with dignity and fun and enjoyment and joy and taking great pleasure in the small things of life. Today, my scent of the day is, first of all, I just love perfume, and there's many perfumes that I love. There's many more that I like. But there's a few that I love, but my very favorite above all else is Shalimar. Well, a couple of weeks ago, I was in Shoppers and I had a chance to smell Shalimar. It's a flanker, they call, from Shalimar, called Shalimar Souffle de Parfum. I had a chance to actually test that out, even through my mask. Anyway, so I came home and I ordered it online because, quite frankly, it was cheaper online than I could buy it in any retail store. This is a gorgeous fragrance. This was released in around maybe about 5 years ago as a modern version of the original Shalimar released in the 1920s. And this is gorgeous, and that's my scent of the day. Today I am so excited because I just received in the mail my order from the Marcelle warehouse sale. So I thought it would be fun to unpack all these goodies and share the experience with you. So I have opened the box, but I haven't looked inside yet. So together we're going to go through all these wonderful items. Now, this is a sale that Marcelle has. Now, Marcelle is a company that it also creates Lise Wattier products as well as Annabelle. And I ordered some from Marcelle and some from Lise Wattier. And the only reason that I did not order from Annabelle is because my budget was done with Marcelle and Lise Wattier, because Annabelle products are just as wonderful. And so today what I have is some Marcelle and Lise Wattier products, and I just cannot wait to see them and to share them with you. So let's get started. This is just so much fun. First of all, the Flawless Peau Parfait. Now, I believe that this is, let me see, it's skin fusion technology for a perfect, flawless complexion, enriched with hydrating vitamins C and E, lightweight makeup for a natural finish. So this is basically a skin fusion compact foundation. So let's have a look inside. Beautiful packaging. And there it is. Now I'm a little concerned that that will be too dark for me, but you never know until I try it, right? So, and it is so challenging to pick a right shade of foundation online. This one is actually called Natural Beige. But we're going to give it a try, and so far so good. So the next item here is a Perfect Brow, Marcelle Perfect Brow Tinted Brow Gel. I'm not going to open this up, but this looks like the perfect color for me. So that's fun. And then we have the Marcelle Luxe Cream Eyeshadow and Liner. And if that is the color, now let me see what they say is the color. Taupe du jour. If that's the color, I'm going to like that color. I can tell right off the bat. This is by Lise Wattier, and it is an eyeshadow. It's a stick eyeshadow. So let's have a look. Whoops. And that is a beautiful color as well. Oh, I like that. Oh, that's going to be gorgeous. Look at that. It has a bit of a shimmer. I like it, and it's very nice and creamy. Oh my gosh, all these goodies. It's so exciting to order some products in the mail and they come in. All right, now this is a Marcelle Forever Sharp Lip Liner. Look at that color, that's gorgeous. And we have a Marcelle lipstick. I do enjoy Marcelle lipsticks. This is called Show of Pink. Oh dear, it's taped there, so I don't want to take the time to open it. And this is a little Marcelle Mono eyeshadow. That's rather pretty, kind of a neutral shade. I have a feeling that these things in this bag are little extras because I certainly don't remember ordering this. This is an energy face wash, and this is by C.W. Beggs and Son, which are men's products. And I certainly did not order that, so this is probably a little gifty. Marcelle, they're very generous with their gifts. And this is a face wash, which I will give to one of my sons. And I don't remember ordering this one either. It's a hand cream by Marcelle. Now I did order some gentle makeup remover, but I ordered a big bottle, so I think this is a gift also. Such great value went with their sales. Now, here, look at this gorgeous body cream. Supreme Comfort Body Cream, 240 mils. Oh my gosh, that's gorgeous. Non-greasy for dry to very dry skin, hypoallergenic, fragrance-free. And I ordered this actually from my daughter, who has very difficult skin, and she likes fragrance-free for her body products. This is a hydrating mask. I use a mask on my skin twice a week. And so, this is a hydrating mask by Marcelle. And these are makeup removing cleansing cloths, and this is a gift also, because I did not order these. I've had these before and they really work very well. And this is a Velvet Gel Liquid Lip Color. Rosy Nude. That's a beautiful color. Look at that. So this would be liquid lip color, and this is what, yeah, I want to increase my stash of liquid lip products. Oh, and look, another one. Wow. This is called Pink Tulip. That's a pretty color. That's a little brighter. And this is a little Christmas ornament, and again, it's a lipstick. And the color of this, I'll just open it up, is well, it's called Merry Christmas. It's a metallic. Oh my gosh, look at that. Oh my goodness gracious. Well, I don't know. I'll give it a try. And here's another lipstick, and I certainly did order a few lipsticks. And this is called Paris Rose. Oh, darn. I don't want to open that up, but that's what the color is. And next, we have a small body cream. I think this must be a gift too, because I don't remember ordering a small one. Oh yes, oh my goodness, I ordered perfume, Ivresse. Oh, it's a beautiful one. I have the Lise Wattier Neige, but I've actually had the little roll-on of the Ivresse. Look at that, oh my goodness. Oh, it's beautiful. Ivresse. And what is this now? Oh my. Wow. Oh. Sunwave Bronzing Pressed Powder. Let me see if I can quickly open this. Might be. Whatever it is, there's a huge quantity here. Oh my gosh, look at that. Now, I certainly did not see from the picture that this was so big. But look at the beautiful colors there. Now that is that's a bronzing powder that I could get into, I think. And this is a 24 Hours Glam Mascara, and this is a gift. I remember them listing this. And this is a gift. When you order a certain amount, they'll give you these free products. Ah, yes. 24 Hours Glam Mascara by Lise Wattier. Well, I'll be looking forward to trying that one. And this is a intense waterproof eyeliner. And yeah, a Lise Wattier Express Eye Makeup Remover. So that's it. Wasn't that fun? Oh my gosh. So happy to have a chance to share this with you. That was a lot of fun. So I've got all kinds of goodies to play with now. Thank you so much for staying with me and joining me today. And I will see you next time. Bye-bye.